In this video, I'm going to show you the stupid simple, stupid easy, literally anybody can do this way to start affiliate marketing and see success. In fact, I'm going to show you the exact method that one of the largest YouTubers in the world followed, and you can do this too. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn how you can get started making money with affiliate marketing in a very stupid simple, very stupid easy way. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to actually help you make money online and not just to put money into my pocket. And if you want to be added to this globe, simply reply or comment down below with your city, state, province, country, and I'll get you pinned. All right, so as I mentioned, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna take a look at a very stupid, simple, very stupid, easy way that you can make money online with affiliate marketing. This is gonna be the exact process that you can start today. You've got a smartphone, you're watching this video, you've got a laptop, you're watching this video, you can do this method. In fact, if you look at my screen right now, this is how Marques Brownlee got started with affiliate marketing. He has 16.3 million subscribers on YouTube. He started off with 0. He started creating content where he was just talking to himself and talking to his friends and family, and he grew to 16.3 million subscribers. If he could do it, you can do it. So let's go ahead and I'm going to show you how you can do this right now. The first thing that you want to do is you want to go and find a recent purchase. Now, I buy a lot of stuff from Best Buy, so I'm going to use Best Buy. You can use Amazon, you can use Target. It doesn't matter, okay? In fact, even though I'm on Best Buy, we could actually use Amazon. But step number one is find a product. We're gonna use this Logitech C9 220S Pro 1080 webcam. It's $63. It's not expensive, but that doesn't matter for what we're doing. This is the product we're gonna start with. Now that you have the product, you're going to find different affiliate programs. What you can do is you can type in Best Buy affiliate program, and then you can see if Best Buy has an affiliate program. You can do the same with Target. You can do the same thing with Amazon, B&H Photo, any place that you shop. Type in the name of the company and then affiliate program afterwards. And you're going to see that they may or may not have an affiliate program. You're simply going to click on this link if Best Buy or Amazon or Target has an affiliate program, and you are going to click on sign up. You're going to go through the process of signing up. They may reject you. That's fine. There are literally thousands of affiliate programs out there. They all may reject you. That's fine. You're still going to create content. And once you create the content and you start building a following, you can always go and reapply. The biggest questions that I always come up, that I always cross when I'm starting or telling people about affiliate marketing is, I don't have a following. I don't have 1 million subscribers, so I can't make money. I don't know where to start. All of those basic questions, but it's a chicken or egg thing. You can start with Amazon, or you can create content and you can build a following. Regardless of if you have 0 followers or not, you still have to build a following so that you can start getting more and more subscribers. So you are going to create content. I'm going to show you the best types of content to create in a second, but apply to these affiliate programs. If you get rejected, so what? Just keep going. Keep following on. People are going to comment on this video. I got rejected from Amazon. I got rejected from Best Buy. I got rejected from Target. So what? You still need to create the content to get in front of the targeted people that you want to get in front of, and you will still make money if you start creating content. Content is what's most important here. All right. Step number 2 is to simply apply to these different affiliate programs. Step number 3 is to determine where you're going to create content. Okay, people call this traffic. Traffic or content can literally be anything. It can be YouTube, it can be TikTok, it can be Instagram, it could be LinkedIn, it could be a blog, it could be a forum site. It all works. My only 2 suggestions when it comes to creating content is make sure you create content where your target audience is actually hanging out. So people that are actually interested in this webcam are hanging out, and create content where you feel comfortable. Okay, it doesn't make any sense for you to create content on somewhere where you hate to be. That's how people wind up not continuing. That's how people quit too soon. If you don't like creating content on TikTok, don't create content on TikTok. If you like creating content on Reddit, create content on Reddit because that's where you feel comfortable. There are literally millions of people hanging out in these different places, and you can create content at each one of these places and be successful. In the very beginning, just pick one. All right. For this example, I'm going to use YouTube because you can see the number of views, and I'm going to use TikTok because people love TikTok right now. All right. So now that we have those steps out of the way. So in this example, as I mentioned, I'm going to use TikTok and YouTube to show you a number of views and amount of traffic that you can potentially get. What we're going to do next is we are going to copy the name of the product that we found here, and we're simply just going to paste this right over to YouTube. We're going to paste it in just like this, and you can see that people are looking up, they're typing in the exact name of the product. All right, if we take a look at this, 10,000 views from 10 months ago, 104,000 views from 1 year ago. And this product's actually older. So you can see here that people are looking this up. What we want to do is we want to do review videos. We want to do unboxing videos. We want to do first impressions. Now look at this, 5,000 subscribers, 10,000 views. This is a teeny tiny micro channel. And this person is doing exactly what I'm telling you to do. You are going to do a Logitech C920S Pro review. You are going to do unboxings. You are going to do first impressions. You are simply going to create content about this product. Look at this one. From 2 years ago, 46,000 views, 8,000 subscribers. Look at this one, 525 views from 9 months ago, 398 subscribers. You don't need to be a huge channel to be successful here. What I recommend that you do is review videos, unboxings, setup, and tutorial videos for any product, okay? And then you're gonna put your affiliate link in the description of your content. Let's also take a look at TikTok, because once again, we can see the traffic that is the number of views that are happening over on TikTok. But this is a good place to get started, okay? So you can create 5 or 10 pieces of content here. We're gonna type in Logitech. Actually, we're just gonna paste in this whole thing, hit enter just like that. And we're gonna see that people are looking this up. Let's see, doesn't Logitech, let's get rid of everything after webcam here. Logitech, let's just do C9 Pro like this. We're gonna copy that. We're gonna paste it in just like this, hit enter. And on this search, you can see 331 views, 17,000 views, 41,000 views, 100,000 views. People are 700,000, so almost 1 million views talking about this product. Now, if we did some simple math here, let's assume 1% of 700,000 people bought this $63 product and you got a 3% commission. So let's do some quick math. 700,000 multiply 1% like this. That is 7,070 people. All right, so we're gonna do let's do 63 times 3%. That's $1.89. So if we took 70 times $1.89, that is 1,000. Let's see, what happened to my math here? 70 times $1.39. Let's say it's $10,000. Okay. So you can see here, just talking about this one product in the format that I mentioned could potentially earn you $1,000, $10,000, but there's more opportunity that you're going to do. You're going to do a comparison video. So you're going to do a comparison of the C920S Pro, and we're going to simply put versus just like this. And you can see people are asking about the differences between the two cameras, and you can rely on the research that you did to find the best camera for your needs. You can see lots of searches for this. The best webcam, Logitech C922 versus this C920. You're going to talk about the pros and cons. People will say, well, Alston, how do I figure out the pros and cons? Do I have to buy this other camera? The answer is no, you don't have to buy this second camera. You can figure out the pros and cons by doing research, going out and figuring out what people are saying about the product. Talk about the product specs. I guarantee you that a lot of what these videos are talking about, this is a 10-minute video, is product specs. Talking about the dimensions, camera angles, things of that nature. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to do comparison videos versus all of its competitors. You can see there are a ton of videos versus the Brio here. Actually, I'm talking on the Logitech Brio right now, but you can see lots of opportunity. There's one person liked it so nice, he did it twice, and you can do this too. Look at this third video, 51,000 views, 660 subscribers. So you don't have to be this a huge mega super channel in order to get views and subscribers. But wait, there's more. You could also do something like best webcam for. Look at this. Now people are looking up the best webcam for streaming, PC, laptop, video conferencing, streaming video games, and so on. You could put together a list of the 5 or 10 best streaming webcams for streaming, and you could be successful. Look at this, 330,000 views from 1 year ago, 88,000 views, 40,000 views, lots of views. Look at this small channel, 8,000 views from 2 months ago, 8,000 subscribers. You can do this. Literally anybody can do this. You could do this after this video, of course. The problem is most people want instant success. They want instant results. They want to be able to put in one video and then make $10,000. That's not how the internet works anymore. You have to be consistent, persistent, and deliberate with your actions and your effort so that you can see results. We can also do best webcam under. Look at this one. So if we type in best webcam under, that webcam was $600. We could do best webcam under $100 like this. And you can see 11 budget webcams ranked best to worst. 122,000 views. The ones below it, 330,000 views, 194,000 views. Thousands of views to be had simply talking about the best webcams. The pushback will always be, but Alston, you got to have 1 million subscribers. You got to be this huge channel. You create content to become a huge channel, and then it gets much easier, but you have to start somewhere. You can't go from 0 to 1,000. You've got to start at 1, 2, and 3 in order to be successful. And then another option is the final step is who, what, when, where, how, and why type content. For example, what do I need to start a YouTube channel? Like this, hit enter, and I forgot the L on channel. But you can actually lay out the 10 things that they need to start a YouTube channel. One of the things that they need is a webcam, and then you could recommend the webcam that we've been talking about. So you can, as you can see, at every level of the funnel, what I've gone through is the funnel actually, and I haven't told you about the funnel, but every level of this funnel, there is opportunity. I did the who, what, when, where, how, why last because it's the largest part of the funnel, and usually it's the most competitive. You can see here that it's the most competitive, but this is how you can start affiliate marketing from scratch. It is stupid simple. It is stupid easy. It doesn't get much easier than this. It's the best, easiest business to start in 2022. Now, if you need more help getting started with this, I've got a $5 workbook that you can check out in the description. It's $5. It walks you through this process more in depth. I actually talk you through the process a little bit. If you want to get it, go ahead and get it. That's fine. If you don't want to get it, just watch this video 4 or 5 times and you'll be able to pick it up. The workbook actually will accelerate your learning curve, and that's how you'll be able to do it. Watch this video next because YouTube says it'll help you build your online business.